Kumusta mga kababayan, aming mga giliw na manonood na patuloy na tumatangkilik sa aming mga videos na ating mga pambatang Pinoy. Ang inyong mapapanood ay lubhang nakakabilib kabayan kung paano kumilos at gumalaw ang ating kababayan at patumbahin ang kalaban at patuloy na makilala ang pangalan sa mundo ng boxing. Subalit bago ang lahat, pakiclick naman ang bell button to subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Kamakailan lamang ay lumipad papuntang Amerika noong August 15, 2025 sa Plant City, Florida, USA ang ating pambato na si Weljan Mindoro upang harapin ang Colombian fighter na si Dormedes Potes. Si Weljan Mindoro ay isang middleweight na tinaguriang The Triggerman at kasalukuyang may kartadang undefeated record na 14 wins, 14 knockouts at isang draw. At ito ang kanyang ika-16 na laban na nananatiling malinis at power punch ang kanyang mga laban. Samantalang si Dormedes Potes ay may 22 panalo at knockout ang sinapit niya sa kanyang huling laban. Tungayan po natin kung paano ipinamalas ni Mindoro ang kanyang husay at galing sa pakikipaglaban. At sa unang round pa lamang ng laban ay makikita agad ang kanyang malakas at epektibong suntok ni Mindoro.
Potes has only been stopped one time, but he was stopped to the body. So let's see if that chin can hold up to the heavy artillery of the Triggerman.
Second fight in just 69 days. That one draw is Takeshi Inoue. That was in 2023.
3 fights that he's had on our air, he has averaged 2 rounds.
Yeah, guy gets it done quickly. Dormedes Potes. His opponent, native of Colombia.
This looks big.
Lives in Florida. Yeah,
Potes is
Potes is a
big.
big guy.
Put on weight overnight. Yeah, I've seen him walking around campus today. He's tall, big guy. He's got heavy bottom half. They both do. Both have very big legs.
He's going to turn pro when Mindoro was 13 years old. Potes has been in this a long time.
Good body shot there.
Flash
Flash
heads as well. Flash of heads, but backing off a little bit. Referee did not say stop or break. Oh, nice. Sneaky uppercut with the left hand.
Mindoro did his
Sa round 1 pa lamang makikita na ininda ng kalaban ang suntok ni Mindoro sa ulo nito at napatigil ito saglit.
This one was looking for a rabbit punch.
I didn't see one personally.
I saw a straight right hand to the belly button. That's what I saw.
Yeah, Potes breathing very heavily.
At bigla napalood ito sa tindi ng liver shot na pinakawala ni Mindoro at kapansin-pansin din na sigurado ang bawat body shot ni Mindoro sa kalaban. Bagsak ang kalaban, unang round pa lang ng laban.
He's making a point out of, I'm going to stop this guy to the body.
Potes was stopped in one. Mindoro
Mapapansin din ang urong sulong na body movement ng kalaban para makaiwas ito.
The Terminator in there. Stalking forward, throwing big punches.
hard feint.
And now he has Potes overreacting to everything he throws.
Also, Potes, none of his offense is actually, to try to win the round. It's a stay away. It's a stay away from the offense.
Yeah, it's not going to take much for Mindoro to get this fight over with.
So far, the fighter from the Philippines taking his time. Not trying to rush another body shot.
See if he can cut off the ring, though. He's doing a little following here. He's allowing Potes to survive.
Potes will survive round number 1. This Potes, look at this beautiful body shot knockdown.
Yeah.
Oh, agony on the face. We've all felt it, gentlemen.
Yeah, there was a couple shots prior to this that landed.
Sa round 2, tuloy-tuloy lang ang power punch ni Mindoro na nagpaluhod kay Dormedes. Matitindi ang pag-atake at pagpapakawala ng body shot ni Mindoro kay Dormedes na yumayakap na lang ito upang maiwasan ang bawat suntok na pinapakawala ni Mindoro. Sunod-sunod ang mga suntok na nagpapaluhod kay Dormedes at nakikita na hirap na at pagod na ito sa mga suntok na pinapakawala ni Mindoro.
Both is trying to and I say survive because you can see he's not even looking for spots to try and punch with Mindoro. He's just trying to cover up.
He was hurt for sure.
Yes, I bet you he wishes he was being countered right now. On the other side too. I don't know if you guys can hear these at home. They're landing like that's like he's like landing, hitting out like a sack of potatoes.
You know, like I was saying, Porter's put on weight over 90, man. He looks big. I think it's helping him be that punching bag to be able to take it.
Pulling that push as well.
You know, if he doesn't start to step up in the level of opposition, you're going to start to wonder whether he wants to step up in the level of opposition. You're getting to the point now where it's going to get critical. You're going to try criticism, continuing to fight, no hopers. When you can punch this way and when you can dominate this way and you can fight this way, people's team knockouts, still fighting guys who show up just to survive. You can't do it. I mean, you can, but then you're not going to get any
The coach was saying that we need to step him up. This obviously isn't that step up.
Well, of course, the coach is in the gym with him every day, so he sees where his potential is, right?
Got a chance to meet Pacquiao. Wasn't able to really be part of the camp. Did get to see Pacquiao in that final week before his return.
You can hear the wax in these body shots.
Sa round 3, mapapansin natin na gustong makabawi ni Dormedes subalit hindi talaga siya umubra sa ating pambato. Nabinigyan ng isang right hook sa liver shot si Dormedes, hirap na itong makabawi at napaluhod na ito sa tindi ng sakit na naramdaman niya sa pinakawala na suntok ni Mindoro.
In the round, kind of like this.
Last time Mindoro sound was they Abreu on our air and scored one of the most vicious left hook we're going to see. That Potas has never been stopped to the head, only stopped to the body. So
the creativity of Mindoro is going to come into play here. Does he have the ability to touch to set up the hard shots now? Everything he's throwing is hard, and you got a guy like Potas who's sort of falling into that survival mode and understands how to survive. Are you going to show the creativity necessary?
That's Lester Martinez, similar style. He started adding some layers to his game, which is why he got the finish on a Healy fight.
Lester's very crafty. That's a dangerous thing to do. Taking a slow motion knee, you're allowing your opponent to take one more shot at you.
Delayed reaction to the body shot again.
Mindoro believes enough daylight between body shots so you can catch and shoot, but again, Potas doesn't have any of the winning mentality in his mindset to even try to.
Nah, he's on full survival mode. He's just waiting for Mindoro to put him out of his misery at this point.
That's a thudding body shot. He shot 5 seconds before.
Yeah, delayed reaction. They might have been that punch from the first round.
Pagsapit ng round 4 ay tila hindi na kaya pa ni Dormedes na lumaban pa, kaya naman nagpasya na ang referee na itigil na ang laban at nanalo si Mindoro by a third round knockout.
Undefeated, the Trigger Man, Weljon Mindoro.
Sobrang nakakabilib ang ginawa ni Mindoro at pinatunayan niya ang kanyang pagiging trigger man. Ito ang kanyang ika-15 knockout na laban at nanatiling undisputed na walang talo. Sa lahat ng kanyang laban, tunay na tatak Pinoy, dugong palaban. Nagustuhan mo ba ang ating kwento, kabayan? Pwede ka magbigay ng komento sa ibaba at atin yung pag-usapan. Huwag din kalimutang i-like, share at mag-subscribe sa ating channel at magbigay ng inyong mungkahi para sa mas ikagaganda ng mga kwento. Maraming salamat po mga giliw naming taga-subaybay sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muling kwento, ingat, God bless!